Welcome to a Mountain Sunday. Make sure One Nation family will live a happy life, a stress-free life. Don't pretend to be stress-free. Don't pretend to be happy when you know you're sad. No funeral, no sad like you. Some One Nation people, make sure you no come out here come pretend. Be on yourself. Don't be stress-free. Don't be worried. Be stress-free. Don't come out here. Come, pretend as if, oh, I am okay. I am fine. And deep down in you know say stress tumble down upon you and you're sad like Bob Marley funeral. Speak my mind, family. One Nation stands alone. Just remember that. Before me say anything, do the do. Remember the do is so easy. So easy. Nothing hard about doing the do. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I think we are behind a little bit where time is concerned. It might seem hard, but it's not impossible. Only if you turn out, if you're not subscribed yet, and subscribe. And if you're not a person who has shared the videos and share and ask people, that's what, when we said like and share, that's what we mean. Share the video, share the link of the channel in your WhatsApp group, in your Facebook group, any group you're in, you share it, and don't just share it like you say, watch this. Because somebody share something to me, them can't just say, if you watch it, I don't really want to watch it, are interested. But when you say, please to go and subscribe, like you ask them, then now it left up to them, because you ask them to do something. Alright? So that's what we mean in time we say share. We go live, the same thing. Share the live. So people in your contact where might not realize that there is a live where also a part of the One Nation family will see it when you share it. You understand? Yes, because sometimes the algorithm not pop up everywhere. Everybody get a notification. Sometimes long after them get the notification. That's why sometimes you hear people that cry. So how many get the notification? Yes, the algorithm sometimes not fall in your part. But yes, when you share it, then you know say them will get it. Alright? So only just help the channel for reach at 10,000. I remember life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. I always asking you to help her to reach her 1,000. She's about, well, I don't look on her page from there. But I think from yesterday when I last looked, she need like 100 or 116 the last time I see, right? And it's not hard because so much on over here, I don't no subscribe. I beg you to go over there go subscribe to her. Help her reach 1,000. Alright? And remember now, life is a Mission TV is over there so also, which is my backup channel. Gonna help that channel let go, you know. And I beg you to grow with that channel there. You understand? Multi-purpose channel, as you see, family oriented. When you see everything going on over there, who no know, me now go tell you no, go on over there, go look. And subscribe. Alright? And remember, I recently have a TikTok account, Life is a Mission TV, where, I choose to open that account as myself because certain things can't post over here so with music and them something. And sometimes our environment where music are play and you see some nice good thing where you don't want to vlog or blog about, because vlog and blog are two different things. And you can't do it because of the music. And sometimes it don't make no sense, you have to cut out and voice over. But I can't bother with that. Sometimes the best part I have to cut out and them sit there, I can't bother. So now that me know say over there so you can play music and them something there. Yes. So if you don't have a TikTok account, run over to TikTok. You understand? Same little family oriented positive thing like with their Life is a Mission and it go on over there. Mostly commentary and social and current affair. Alright? The little give back business. Yeah, that go on over there. We'll go over there too. And you don't know. When I start go live over there, when I gather audience and can start go live all just the outer road and just click me live over there. No matter if music I play or not now play. Yeah. That's the reason. I may have a few people may sit over there comical without having an account. Me can't access them page. But me not there to go for no lion, no Zion, or no payan. Alright? Yeah. I remember the cash app down there. $, charms and trends. When you give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. Alright, before we get into the video, make I address something first. Alright. Know your English grammar. Everybody know your English grammar. Right? Alright, she make a comment. It's not a bad comment. It's not a disrespectful comment. It's a comment where no problem with those type of comment. As me say, once you comment, whether you agree with me or you don't agree with me, and you comment respectfully towards what you don't agree with, me nah no problem. Most of you know the name. Me nah talk the person individually, say you know it. Most of you know the name, know your English grammar. She make a comment in my comment section regarding the thumbnail with the video yesterday with grandma and grandson. I have no problem with the comment, honestly. But the only thing I would say, cause honestly, you know, so when I go do that video, I real, cause I search back for the comment now, cause I see the comment this evening and I did not give it a heart. Cause most time when you see the comment, then when you give them a heart, you can't find them back so easy. But you see when you don't give it a heart and you stroll back through comment, you will see it. So this evening I want to, you know, when I have some more time, I did want to look more into the comment and check the name properly. So I did not give it a heart. The little time I was stroll through and bam bam bam, cause I do some business and they depend all, so I just go and do what I do in the comment section. So since night, just before I do this video, I come and, cause you know the name in a real true one long name. No people they not want to penetrate. But as I say, I penetrate the name. No, and the reason why I end up penetrate the name is because somebody who got under her comment will make a comment. But I can wait to talk about that part first. But as I say, English grammar, know your English grammar is somebody who know where I'm going over social media. So me know her comment is not intended to say she disrespect me or she try to say go and allow the woman like many. I see a few coming on my comment that say that. She were just saying the same thing how I feel also before me I do this. But as me say in the video, I have a reason to do this. In this video that me I go dissect with Marcia, she make it look like, oh, me come out here and pick up the latest every time she go at latest because she send me a latest of because from Miss Richie funeral. I'm not going to hear for listen. Who never hear she say it already, I got hear now. Right? So every time she come out here for the latest, me come out here. I want to explode the first time she come out here against latest baby. Because it was a child. And the name which she named the woman picked me. If somebody will say she's a mama and a grandmama. Not mother, you know. Mama. You understand? Because you know cow bring calf. So she's a mama, not a mother. I was so upset. I could have come out here and lash out at me and said, sure, it not concern me really, but I'm upset with it. She come again. Like she make it, you know, a regular thing. Saying she see an old video and she come out here because of the old video. Which the video where she see and come out here for the woman is after she make her statement, if I am correct. If me not correct, gonna remind me. After she make the statement about the woman child birthday and say what she have to say about the woman picnic, that's how the woman come back out here. But she make it look like the woman first. She don't remember what she come out here come say to make the woman come out here come say what she said. But the bottom line is, you don't always hear me say, kids, sickness, family, and verbal, physical, not verbal, physical altercation outside of social media, zero tolerance in me. But I say it already and I will say it again. When it come on to curly English, know your English grammar, I will have no excuse. What I say? I will have no excuse for her. And without any apology, I will disrespect Curly and our grand pitney and our son any given time I see it fit. This is not somebody who in a phone who not mailing around people kids. The video that I dissect where me know more people in a social media upon the side there, even in a comment, One Nation people, Planka Nation, would not agree with the thumbnail. Which I make myself clear. This is not something that I enjoy doing, because it's zero tolerance to me. But because the person with all of this concern, I have no regards for them. No respect for them pitney or them grand pitney. You can't come out here as a mother, mama, and a grandmama and behave this way upon a 5-year-old child. Not just him, but many other kids out here who belongs to people. Even my one them. You understand? Even in this video, when me go dissect, you know go hear her. What she go say? Because me come out here and put her grandson pan thumbnail? What about what you have done to my kids before me put your son pan thumbnail, grandson pan thumbnail? What you have said about my kids before? But no, you forgot the past. You forgot what you have done before. So though this is fresh in the eyes of people, you make it look like, oh, me I take up latest business for my head because, as you say, your allegation is me a latest. Poor me. Yes, man, I would have latest any minute of the day, any hour of the day. I would have locked down with her one whole day and just a cook for her, make she just enjoy herself. But I would even want to look upon you naked for not even a second. I would even want to look upon you naked. You understand me I say? My body work off a current. And now when them put me together and throw water upon me, because you know water and current no agree, I still not go ignite. What I say? All when them put me together so and throw water upon me, because remember current and water no agree, I still not go ignite myself. So latest lookable. So maybe yes. You hurt? You hurt? So know your English grammar. Without no disrespect, I know you didn't disrespect me or say anything disrespectful. You know, say, this is why I do this. Because of the level where Marcy I take it. And our comment, it was brought to me by another commenter. I'm not calling any name now. One named Angela Bedu. Angela Bedu. I see where the person go under her comment, which they both under know your English grammar comment. Says she's a fly by day and pitch by night. Angela Bedu. Is the same person when me hear dasa around where wadi. So basically, you're a strong supporter of Curly. So basically, you support what Curly is doing. Because if you ever come under the comment of knowing your English grammar and talk about true, me sure know me no see in no comment section I say where Marcia do a foolishness. Me sure know you no go up on our platform go type, because the whole one afraid to type over there. The whole one afraid to type over there. And me sure know you no go over there go type nothing. So why you coming on my comment come talk about a true? Allow the person to make the comment. I know that is not coming from anywhere bad or supportive of Marcia. It's just how she feel or he feel. Because I don't really know who. I would have more figure like it's a female. Right? I understand how she feel, because how she feel or so me would have feel if it was somebody else then. Where now drag people kids out here. So I understand. Despite she know who me I deal with and what them I do. But she are saying to me simply, come on, don't render. You understand what I say? But me tell you every day, me not fight fire with water. Reason why me not fight fire with water, me no want when me feel like you're out and me look and me see two little smoke and ashes and me say yes, that's a wet up so that can't catch again. By the time me turn me back, fire catch again. Bang, like how she said the woman dodge her when she try to take a mic and bang in her head. Bang in her head. Me no want that happen. So what me do? Me fight fire with fire. So anybody get burned, which me make sure me carefully not take no burn. Not say me can't get burned. But anybody get burned, the next person will burn that person supposed to aware say it can be a retaliation. So by this time, you have to always look over your shoulder. But when you use the water, and you see the fire die down, and you don't see no fire, you don't see no flames, but you see smoke, and them say anywhere you see smoke, fire dead. Because basically it liable can catch back. Me no want to turn me back and get what she get in the club. Bang! As she said, she turn her back and get it as she said, so me no know. So, me understand you know your English grammar, but I saw me stay. Me fight fire with fire. And you see once you go below the belt and people cry out and you still intend to go below the belt, that simply means you don't care. So why me if you care about you? Me not gonna care about you. You go below the belt and people cry out and talk, and you continue to go below the belt. That means you don't care. So anything come at you below the belt and below your knee, hold that. That's how me see it. Anyway, wanna listen. She come at me.
I see one dirty boy.
I don't mean this.
I draw my face.
I don't mean
I
this.
see my jaw them swell up.
I must shanty she attack you so.
Let me reassure you.
And
Let me reassure you one more time.
me don't know. I can't understand why you continue to come out here to, you know, clear the air and the same thing every day. Me I ask this. Cause that you actually gonna do again. You should just bypass where you see and go on and move on. You see how so it go and that happen. So why you continue to repeat yourself? Stop repeat yourself, man. I don't know how me never cut out that part of the video, you know. I think she said something when I couldn't cut out that part here.
Catch me right there, so. Me book up on one video, one girl asked a question, how me make she lick me. But me not gain acknowledgement. It wasn't, I did not go there to fight.
Now I take the water and I have some milk from a nightcap and eat a snack.
And when them take her away, it wasn't even security, it was some friends of hers too. One lady and one other guy. We tell her to stop, the security never reach over there yet. Knowing the fact that we already done rip off wig and do what we're supposed to do, when she in the corner stand up.
I think we soon cut those people because I didn't even realize that she have come back with the same thing.
When I turn my back to
We
her,
shouldn't
because
place a part
I
up on the
wasn't
video.
supposed to be, she have to pay me. She have to pay me some money, me not ask you.
Oh, I just some me tape it here, yeah,
Call
so.
the cook, she have to pay me some money.
Cause she carry her
She have to
phone.
give back my rent. You understand?
Me
So
just
she
realize
also-
why me the
she
tape, you know,
don't
right
come
here, so.
come lick me. So when you not talk about say whatever it is, it wasn't a fight, it was a quick shuffle. But me can't go buy my phone cash. You want to see the receipt? You want to see the receipt and debit card?
You buy an iPhone cash and it take you 4 weeks to get the phone or 3 weeks. And you get the phone and at the same time you still depend on the piece of old phone. Where the speaker giveaway. You get the phone now, you're not supposed to change over and do what you do. But you still depend on the piece of old phone.
Big pussy don't
The little partner money soon don't know. You gotta see what you gotta do. Cause you know, invest it, you know.
Fully paid for. Fully.
You take the past $1,000 last year and invest it, but you know, take your partner money and invest it. You take it and do muggling. Remember winter come.
iPhone 16 people. It doesn't work with the regular same type of Galaxy phone wire them. It was surprise.
Right now you're muggling with phone, brand new iPhone 16 according to you. All you do is buy one bag of fandangles, clothes, shoes, this, that, and that become boast on social media. You say you're not a star. Or we out here are the star. We are the shining star. The supporters of us out here, and we are the shining star. Not you and your supporters. Because you have to go out of your way. Figure buy this, buy that, and come on social media, come show off on we. Well, where you are buy, probably we can buy all 3 times that. Probably we can buy something with value 4 times that. But we don't need to come out here, come show off. You need to build your confidence and your self-esteem. So you have to go out there, go prove to the world so you can buy their wig. Wow, me never know some. I never know some. I can buy their wig. Can't cost me no about synthetic wig. Me stop wear them. But me still go wear them. We make you do that. If you was a real star, you never have to do that to come please. We out here prove, not to we. You prove to yourself. So are we are the star out here? Not you. You're mag with big iPhone, you're mag with Michael Cruz, this, Michael Cruz, that, and everything. But I know we can't see a quality bed and move in your house. We can't see some furniture and move in your house. We can't see like how you show the Michael Core back them, and you show iPhone, and you show a watch, and you show a Dutch, and you show a hatch, because you're falling or you're hatch. You understand me I say to you? We can't see you show one piece of furniture come in one nice bed, whether a single, double, or whatsoever is a bed. You understand? Yes. So if you want Maglan buy all kind of expensive things, and now buy one good bed, where you can lie down in a stretch out and roll in a year age of 65. You understand me I say? And make back pain and all and sit them mash you up, your problem. But you have a bed and we can say you have a bed. And you have 2 pieces of furniture you look place set up. And we not talk about set up with no one bag of China wall decor. Gone way around there so. A garbage them there. Especially the one where you have them outdated. Not even junkyard at China you can go find them the wall decor the way you have right now. They are outdated. So make sure if you are going to do that, make sure some brand new, nice, good looking. Something where catch eye. And we are star out here, Marcia. And we have to go do all of these things to come prove to. Where?
This it work with the new iPhone 16.
Come, get to me.
This A1 will look different for iPhone. And this it work with. Same thing like the Galaxy then. I pay for that one. So this one I paid for cash, but the next one I'm order, mail put that one for 36 months because they give me $900 credit for this high.
She come out here, Maglo, she buy iPhone cash. But them a give her next one because them give her credit. $900 credit for the one that she have right now. So you know she just pay off the rest of money and buy that cash. So why you gonna put that on 36 months? You come out here boast about buying phone cash. And immediately after boast say you buy phone cash, you gonna take out one now on 36 months layaway. Make it make sense. Eh? It come like a man him have $500. And him go down the road to me just buy a $250 food. Him go down the road go buy a 4 bills one. And can't buy a juice $150. But he still him buy a 4 bills food and muggle upon me with my 3 bills food, you know. We are drink all one nice Lucas here, one tropical rhythm or something, you know, one Vitamalt, you know. We value another $300 or $400, you know. But him buy a 4 bills food kind of say, man, maglo pa me with him can buy 4 bills food or 3 bills food, but him can't end up buy one juice. and compare the juice when me I drink to the food, the price food when me I eat, is probably 2 times the price of what him I eat. I see that. You buy phone cash and a matter. And in the same breath, you come out and you have to take out next phone now upon 36 months. 3 years that you know. And what kind of must some free deal benefit you get make you do that?
Finish a whole one, yeah. Can you believe it? Me can't believe it. Me say me getting $900 credit for the whole one. $900. And then me 36 months to pay for it. So me pay $126 a month for my phone bill. And must see how much you pay. Blood clot. Come screenshot this. Cash.
Come screenshot this. Cash me buy it.
Wait till the other one come.
So we want you come out and come show your furnished house. And tell me say come screenshot that bed here. Come screenshot that dresser here. Yes. Night table.
Face on one dog body. Are the worst thing you could ever do.
Tell you.
What you need to go do? You go take your dirty pitney them. Your sub pussy pitney them and go put drunk crow on their face. Cause your pitney them is not but a drunk crow that worried slut dog. And that you go do. Go and take your pitney back.
Remember, you know, CJ was molested from a tender age because there wasn't a mother around him. You understand? CJ was molested from a tender age. And that's why him grew up the way he grew up. Because him not know no motherhood. You understand? So him grew up in the way how him grew up and been molested because he never have no proper guardian around him. And that's how make him end up at boot camp. You understand? Because to all he were so oftenly molested. You understand? He was oftenly molested by both gender. Not one gender. Both gender CJ was. So him develop a anger. So him have to seek anger management. And this is why he end up at the boot camp. Boot camp still never help him. Because after months him end up come out to be a fraudster. A jailbird. You understand? So talk about CJ. Good? Continue. Me not touch Romy yet. Because people are begging me to leave Romy. Look out for that thumbnail here. Before you reach us, before you tell the people them me and latest business. Cause one thing. When me I go hotel, me not go hotel with old mattress and old bed. Quality mattress and quality bed. And use like a old mattress. So you couldn't know if me and latest go a hotel. You understand? Cause you go like you was the mattress. But at the same time, me not lion type of mattress like you. Me no want when me come out evidence is there, me see piece of kaya itch up in my head back or a piece of sponge, or me see piece of kaya on my clothes, or piece of sponge on my clothes. Too much evidence you know sir hotel me I come from. And use like one of those old kaya mattress. Where the little piece of covering the pan it to wear out and tear out. Where most of these hotel have. Quality hotel me go. So you couldn't know where me and latest go if me and latest go somewhere. So you can go and spread your propaganda. I never know latest from before that day in person until I go at the place to see her. As a matter of fact, she comes to me. And it was evident that latest were on her life all the way from which part she had come from, which part she live. You understand? And I'm sure I wasn't the driver that was carrying latest. So when you are come and spread your propaganda, you can't go and spread your propaganda. But as me say, you couldn't be the mattress, you know, nothing.
That's why every time me know say go forget about dirty girl. Only God could have put on and tell me that. That's why me notice.
You know when God come down and tell you that. Because if God come down and tell you, say nothing no go so, he might go punish you more than he might punish you. And let me tell you, it's not about me I pick up latest bungle. It's not about latest. Yes, I do come out here when you come out here against latest. Reason being, there is so much people out here that blog about you. But each time this young miss come out on her page and you learn it, and you Lisa it, and you make her page reach right there. So she's free to come out on her page and talk about what she want to talk about. Just like how you're free to come out here, come discriminate, body shame, cuss your whole heap of cuss, suck, lock, all kind of sitting. She free to do what she want to do. But every time she come out here and she do something involving your name, whether it is disrespectful or not disrespectful, it's like a share the weak fence. And all the others, including myself, you don't come at us like that. So sometimes I look into it and I come out and I talk with me, I talk. Because people out here are go at you hard. She know they nowhere near hard. But I hate still she choose to go at. In this case, it's not about latest. In this case, it's about the woman 5-year-old child where you come out. Remember now, you never contribute $1 to the birthday. But because you have it up on social media, beg for your grandpicnic birthday gift. Money for traffic go this and traffic go this up. History man find your history and the man with the file and I see the man then post it. The man post it. I may make sure he post it. Yes. So who might not watch him and watch me, then we see it. Because sometimes we come out here, come talk, people might feel like we have fabricate story like, oh no, we don't have a fabricate story. Especially me. Me talk it as it is, as how me see it and how we bring it across. As so me come out here, come dissect and talk about it. Me not come out here, come say, boy, it's a black fan, she live in her house, but she talk about white. Me don't know what color fan you live in your house. But if you show me say it's a black fan, or me glimpse a black fan, me have to come say I want black fan when you say a white fan. Where you want me to come say I want white fan and pick up for you when I tell a lie and everybody say I was a black fan? But unlike on a fabricate story, you come out here against the woman picnic. So you're jealous of the woman picnic getting a good birthday. You understand? And you couldn't able to support your grandson's birthday. You have to come on social media blatantly a beg. What's my next phone there, man? Should the phone that charge, Blatantly a beg. People, hold on, me I find it, Me I find it. Me be phone a charge and me I go find it. When you listen to the nastiness.
I don't get enough order if you travel so far.
Listen to the nastiness.
Yes, I don't. Then all me ask that question. Then always it when you don't even send a little something for Romy for your birthday. I thought to the love my little grandson. Not even one hour, not even send $120 in a cash app and say, Marcia, buy it. 2 miles. US 1. All the bus stuff we put in the cards. For him. We just have to pay for them. We pay for some of them and stuff. We are ship them. Some of them are reaching 1st of November, the 1st of December, some of them are reaching. So, I don't know, he wear 18 to 24 months. He wear size 6 shoes, sneakers. He wear size 6 or 7 diaper. I mean, those are things, books and crayons, books and little toys with music. Of course, me entertain, I can support my grandbaby birthday, first birthday. I would love to see picture because when he come on the screen, he light up the screen. Just like his grandmother. Like granny, like grandson.
Alright, me now gonna further people. That is his first birthday. And you come out here on social media. I beg not even salvation or me food for the poor, no beg like you. You beg down to diaper. You can't talk to me. Me never beg no boy or girl a pack a diaper yet. And a straight expensive diaper. All of my people them wear. Me no buy cheap diaper. Kind of make sense? I buy cheap diaper and before morning like the diaper full up and swell up so. So me buy quality. Cause at the end of the day, when the baby catch rash and chafe up and my pocket a go burn. And you come out here beg diaper and clothes and all kind of sitting. And America you live as American citizen with black book a wave and a show. And this it show you where the jealousy come from. Because latest come out and she said, Lord, you don't love me, you know? You don't really love my son, you know? And she talk and she talk and she talk to the people them read her support them reach out for her son. So because you see that and you remember say when Romy first birthday you come out and beg like a leeches and it never work out for you. You fly up in your feelings. And you never just go for latest where is the child mother. You go so and go for the child also. And I saw make the woman come back out here for you. And you see the video 6 days after. And I go on like say the woman shouldn't come out here come talk. Eh, beggy, peggy. Eh? Who does that? If me come out here beg for myself, you can't see me come out here beg for my pitney them. Better me beg for myself and to take what me beg or give them. But because what? You want the people them to have sympathy because them tired of you begging them. So you want them to have sympathy upon you. And say, oh, let's just send something to give Romy. Boy, you put in an Amazon cart, this, that, Tara. Nothing at all. If you spend at 500, I'm just going to $1,000 upon Romy from Romy band until now. 2 years I had now. Or about 2 years now. If you spend $500 upon that grandson where you claim to say you love so much and cherish so much, your only grandson. Because just like how you have the only child, CJ might only have the only child. Because it's running at the jeans, not the underpants. Yes. That's why you come out here and you're feeling to the woman and her son birthday party. Because your will never work out when you come out here and beg. I'm sure no. Latest never depend on our platform I beg like how you beg. What me say? Not even the boy them on the stoplight beg like you. Latest never come out upon our platform I beg like how you beg. You actually have beseech and a plead to the people them. If you send something come to Romy. All these people were having high places behind closed door. Where they were. Because if they were there for you, you only go up in your feelings. You'd more come out here now and mag and a boss. As a matter of fact, you would have do that long time on your platform. That's why we tell you so we stop come out here come talk about people in high places and behind closed door. Because you don't have nobody behind closed door. You just want to feel to yourself so you're getting support. That's it, you know. You just feel, you want to feel within yourself so yes, you're getting that support. Because if you don't do that, you're going to have a breakdown. So you have to make sure you guard yourself from that breakdown there. By thinking, as the mother say, delusional. Yeah. About people are high caliber beyond close door. Me never go to jail yet. But your son can't sing. Him now go to jail again. Oh no. Cause him tired for them boy finger him. Oh yes. So CJ now go to jail again. Now go where? CJ have a job? What hustling ability him have if him don't have a job? What trade does he has? What are he living off of? You say him father this and him father that. What foundation you or him father set for him? You should have shame. If you see him father is that person as well you say, cause me no know. We serve some capacity where the law is concerned. And his son is a criminal, a gangster, a fraudster. I sure know him father not supposed to sit well and feel well about this. For him to be somebody who served the law in some capacity, what capacity I don't know, you say it. And you can't explain yourself properly because you don't have that's something about you. So let me just put it that way there, in what capacity he's serving. Not supposed to feel good. His son is a fraudster, gangster, and everything that's bad pertaining to the law. You can't talk to me and my pitney them. Who you? Where?
It up by your head. You're lucky. You're lucky. Send me now my picture pitney them. Show a picture pitney them now. And see what we put on their face.
You don't want to go there so with me. You don't want to go there so with me.
It's only time will tell.
You don't want to go there so with me. Try know that. Eh? Remember me a boy put on roach in the mouth, you know. Remember that. You don't want to go there so with me. There is video. There is video long before. And anybody would have go up with them feelings for them pitney. Anybody, if you're there in front of anybody and deal with them pitney that way there, them would even think about what are going to happen after. More than fix you up like a mannequin. Probably you'd look better than how you look right now. Yes, man. They might fix you up like a mannequin no matter what the consequence after. You come out here long before the woman come out here in her feelings over her pitney to how you describe her pitney. And threaten the woman more than one time for no reason at all. So if the woman come out here up in her feelings of what you said about her child, she have all right to do so. There is so many threats of you threatening this young miss before she do this. But you want to hold this because you forgot about the past. You want to put away the past. It's the present you want to deal with now. Make we see where it come from before it reach Yasso. It's not where they know, it's where it's coming from. And this is why some of the people out there are commenting and people comment. English grammar, I'm not talking to you because I know you understand the whole thing that is going on over here. You understand? Me I talk to the bias one them when no, and I pretend like them don't know because them support what Curly is doing. And the real people them will really just come over and understand and see something and jump in a comment and start comment against it. Me honestly can't tell you, me know enough for you, no really agree with the thumbnail, but you understand the reason why me go there. So you might just lock on your eye past it. And as me say, I wouldn't agree with it if somebody else do it, but then knowing who the person will do it, why them do it, would I just have to agree. Because this person don't respect nobody kids, so how you have to respect fear one. I know so it go. Respect goes where respect come from. You can't want me to respect you and you don't respect me. I know so it go. And respect is not something where you beg. Respect is something where you show and people say yes, you genuinely show respect. For you get back respect.
Somebody will look feed for me and say they come. If she not take off his 6 days to the make it 7 days. She said, come to Jamaica, make we see. The dirty girl ladies, come to Jamaica to see.
Anybody that tell you that after what you say about them picnic for no reason.
Jamaica and see when my man, my baby daddy do to you. Come to Jamaica if you think about it. And I check that.
How much people you threaten? Say you go bring man for them. Huh? You say your body no. And I threaten the people them say you go do this to them and be like you single-handedly I go do it. And then you go talk about gangster this and who you have gangster and who you have friend of gangster. Eh? Hey woman, move out of people's face here man. Sure.
She said she not threaten me.
She have all right to do so. You have checked her more than one time. More than one time.
In Jamaica, ladies, I'm gonna say,
You make her this young miss ball on live. Remember, you make her this young miss cry on live. Oh.
Pitney, a 5-year-old Pitney. Cause she over there now. The reason I cuss her, you know, she over there gloat. Say, girl, beat me up. So I don't cuss her.
Alright. That's the reason why you cuss her. So why did her child get involved? Why did her child look a bird 5-year-old? 5-year-old, you know. Oh, this is 10, sorry. 5-year-old. Yeah, 10, I put up all of it. 5-year-old, you know. 5-year-old. If she over there gloat over how the girl beat you up. Or our look a 5-year-old child get involved. That you go that far. And I describe the little baby in that manner. How him get involved. Why you never tell lady say she this and she stop, this and she try, this and she do that and she carry and she worry? Why you get her like a 5-year-old? And to show you how jealous one is, and for sure you say it's not about no gloat. You know, just tell her about her pitney and she, you know. You go as far as talk about the birthday party we keep for the pitney. So it wasn't about no gloat when the woman a gloat. You too lie. You come out here because the woman a talk about all the people them reach out and you never know say them love your son so much. Them don't really love my son, you know. Yeah, man. And the party and all the gift back them back to the little pitney them will come and all them something there. And you, if you're American citizens, we're in a first world country, we have so much high class people behind closed doors, so much dignitaries behind closed door. Half it up on social media, beg like a dog, like you're blind. And no hand stretch out to you. So you go up in your feelings. So no come out here, come talk about you, the girl that gloat of you getting whap whap whap.
She step out one video, me see, and she say, come to Jamaica if you think you're bad. Come to Jamaica, we see how the man do to you. So me tell her, say, I bet you should have come him again. We never see it.
So you're a bad girl and you can't, I be a check your take back your talk then.
Where you call that? Go and look for one video. We done was 6 days ago. How was your name? How was your name? Latest Jamaica. Me not even know if where your blogger name? Me not even know the girl. What? Then where you call that, Diane? Not yet. Where you call that? Me want to know where you call that.
So if you call that threat, after what you have said about the woman child, and she said, if her baby come to Jamaica, make her baby father hold you. Nothing wrong with that. You have sent threat out here to people for nothing at all. And the baby father we are going to hold you is the child father. So nothing wrong with that if I'm defending Pitney. But you, I promise people licking a face, turn over stall, pit in a face, in a box and throw in a people's face and all kind of something. And you're going to come with your posse, your alliance. Because you're F-man, we're in a gang, we're having posse, we're from your F him, them have to defend you. And this not just happened since latest threatening you as what you say. You have been saying this here a while now. So if you cannot say this, why the woman can't say that about her baby father or Pitney papa in defending his child? Eh? Or who you? When you not go up on a stage make them boo you? Eh? Look at all Pato, Zotopek. We can't keep no man.
Jamaican blogger. Me soon find it if she take coffee. I wish she get a blogger.
Show you your dunce. Me tell you, you know. You don't know nothing in this technology world here. The simplest thing to help yourself. You put in garbage, you go and get out garbage. And that you do right now.
What's his name? Party tonight in New York City. If you ever see you in the look.
You don't even know how to get in. No fingernail, then ban you can't go no party right now. You have to go make the steam cool off. Then you could have left do what you do last week and come this week and go to the party and them let you in. And on no finger, cause it can't be no finger. I must say this man now last night me see I say, see that and my finger get better now. So all your finger will stop you. One broke off nail can't stop you from going to one party. What is something you do your finger and you do the rest of nails and for go where you go. That one finger you never stop you. But guess what? You feel if you come out come say you don't want to turn up on nobody party and them go embarrass you and tell you say you can't come in. So you're smart. You just hold your own and that's the best thing to do. Now go face no more embarrassment. Back to back week now go look good. And this time you're gonna go on like you want. Stand up on the promoter and have to show you down. So that's the best thing you do. But no use no excuse about no finger. You see one say your finger get better. You could have big up till you can't big up no more. The promoter them don't sign off against you. Them don't tell themselves say within themselves say you get banned for the Christmas. Come next year you might have a chance, but for the Christmas you get banned. Unless it's a promoter when you know nothing about what go on. It will stay in your bag. No refund. I hear you. But you said the right thing. She said one white man see her and tell her say she's not 51. She look like 35-year-old. But hear what she said a while ago? White people are always say them something there. You're right. You're right. Cause you know you don't look like no 35. And I want them to learn because there's a lot of time you see them coming in your comment section I cheer you on for certain things and them know how so it go. And you sit down and kill your teeth with them. I hope you start tell them now say not too lie. You understand? I hope you start tell them now because you're right. You know the white man I tell you lie. You know which part of you look like 35. And when you spin that round, you don't look like 53, you look far older than 53. So I can't mistake him make and spin around the number back and front because I'm still not see good. Him still not see good. Because you could have never 53 neither. You don't look like 53 man.
Yes, my dear. Yes, when you sit down in that chair, this is a large. And if you come with the bag, so this is a Nike or something. See, I'm wearing a large. You see? I'm wearing a large. And I have butt said way. See them have butt said way, you know? See there? And the legs sitting on the behind. I have body. See there?
She get up and show in one Nike suit where she in a top and bottom. And I show, her butt same you know. But when she goes and turn when I see the butt, me I see butt on her front too. So it come like a two butt she have. Cause she spin like she give like a spin, you know. She knows so she not ready already, you know, where the shape is concerned. She not too ready. But she turn and and like she be the bend her back for sure you say she have butt. But me I tell you people, a two butt me I see. Me have to look good and see which one she have bend for sure. Cause I don't know if I the one in front or the one on her back. Because a two butt she have. I know one butt you have. I know one you have, a two you have. Back one a back, one a front. But the one a front cock up more. Why?
And me want to go in my church to serve God. And me now go back and forth. Go in a church and come out and have unwanted sex and even hook.
So, you have to have a man to go serve God. Go on in the church. Go on in the church and allow him. The Lord will provide one for you if one is there for you. But you can't keep no man. You're married twice already, you know. Just imagine, you're married twice already and none of your marriage them serve 6 years. None of your marriage just serves half a dozen years based on what me understand. And your marriage actually back to back. Just a little breeze between first and second. How can you marry 2 times and none of your husband not find you attractive, find you sexy, find you as the right wife that they stay with you? You know, say something wrong with you. You need to question that. Marriage 2 times and look almost it got 3, but the man is smart. The third man realize who you is. So before they ring up on finger and take for himself. And probably this man that did want it more than the first 2 man. Because the man you want documents and the man still take for himself. You married 2 times and come now around down marriage. So if your marriage you did want so much, why you never keep one of your husband? Eh? I saw you saw that you get 2 husbands, you have 2 husbands. Eh? I saw you saw it. You is at fault. Somewhere just feel like down there not good. That's why you come out and come talk about it so much. Anytime you hear a woman come out and talk about them this and them this and them that. No good. What I say? It no good, that's why I can't keep no. You understand? No hardware and lumber I can't keep. Because down there not good. So hardware and lumber can't keep no wood. Yes man. No kill my tree them try to chop down. Can't keep none.
So it's either that or that. If they meet one man 6 months after that 3 months, if happy put a ring on the ass finger if you want me.
I saw you want marry?
It's
6
simple as
months.
that.
3 months.
Because from you reach up in your 40 and 50
So you expect them the marriage if you last? The man don't know much about you and you don't know much about him. And when the man find out who you is, he not fit.
What are you waiting
Take
for?
for himself.
What are you waiting for? We not force the man. One of the reasons why like a man don't want to marry a woman who believe in a God, because them things that the woman is going to force them to go to church. We not force the body for going to church. We not force no man for going to church. Because I can't see, I can't cook pot. And big belly can't cook pot in your hand. As long as your hand.
So why you want to marry? What's the real reason for marriage then? Oh, so you want to turn Christian and you don't want to blaspheme. Oh. They not going to church without man then, man. Going to church without man. Simple as that. No make no man stop you from going to church to give your life to God. Because right now you need to get it trained. Because every gate I go shut for you.
As much as me come out and cuss and go and trust me, me treat my man them good. When me have them, every last one them have no complaint.
And then can run so.
The only thing they will say, me stubborn and me feisty. Those are the 2 complaints that a man can have. Stubborn and me feisty.
You treat man good and your man then can run that yourself. Then suppose you dare treat them bad.
Things that I used to do in my 20s and 30s, I couldn't do it now. Because I would have made the same mistake. I may have realized I'm not young no more. I'm getting older. So the things that I used to get up and go about my business, my husband and go on the relationship, I couldn't do it. Somebody
You want your dirty life, you want your nasty life, and you never did that live right? Yeah. You want your true life, you want your true life, and you never did that live right? Yeah. That's why you can't keep no husband, can't keep no husband. You have a bun pan room, can't keep no husband, can't keep. Well, married 2 times and can't keep no husband, and come now around the marriage in your last part of your life. We are even get out for short pan you.
still in the house like a blood clot cobweb. Roach and rat and look food. And when me go out now go enjoy myself, now me 2 asshole, me supposed to stay in. Me how old me is when 70-year-old and 80-year-old out there look I get them groove on. So what me expect me to do? Me married? for Marriott. Bonvoy, something. And me getting special rate and them sort of something there. And I went along when business are like slow. You can't get the hotel them.
Anyway, the freeness and the cheapness there you there. And then you come up with like your actors. Where? You're spoilers, you're not actors. Be a discounted price you run down. Be a sale and discounted price you run down. And come out here and mag up on people. You can't mag up on nobody, man. Where? Here she are two shades. Here are two shades. Them have a tattoo for them eyebrow on. While me have the perf. I don't know. I don't know where the shades there go. Me not see nobody else out here tattoo eyebrow. Especially go publicly and do it. So I don't know say a shade that she are true.
Look at my nice sexy lips them. The 50 euro. Look at my nice sexy lips them. They must get. Look at my nice clean face. While some of them will look like a Greta. And so what's up? And them come and chat me. We not perfect. We not perfect.
Hey.
And then put them kakai.
I don't even see the way you use pan for your face it looks so. More no want to see if you never use them the how you really look. Cause the amount of sit you want to use pan phone the face and body, you know, man. If you never did use them then, if you don't look so no, just judge if you never did use them. Cause them still not do nothing great phone, you know. Them not do nothing great phone, no. Them might go no a little lift, yes, but nothing great. Some of them want soon never when you never use them, they sit there. God Almighty. Not a Halloween, not a scarecrow. You have 2020 and now wear test glass. Oh, I know, me share talk because this is not test glass. This is just a reading glass. As me tell you, most of us soon forget it when I get it yet because of them something your phone. Me can't tell you that this make me fear wear this. Because the phone up in our face too often. The light and all those something there, yeah. But if you have 2020 vision and night and day you fear wear them the big dark spectacle there. More no want to see if you don't have 2020 vision. But you know what? You know what? You know there's something wrong with you. All you come out here going like you're perfect and talk about your big old cheekbone them. We look like the bridge out of Tivoli. Where you have to go over before you reach out to market. The big old cheekbone them where you talk about. Look at my sexy cheekbone. Me don't want them the big old cheekbone in my face stand up like one statue down a park. You must say mad. You mad when I do them a cheekbone then. So because you know how your eye tan, night and day living in this big dark glass of all kind. You have 2020 vision, proud of yourself and show your sight. You come out here and cuss somebody where we wear a test glass when naturally something wrong with for them high. And them willing to go back. Where you call them again? I can't call the name right now, but them willing to go check out them eye. Ophthalmologists and go check out them eye. Or optician. And wear them for wear. Not do your eye with your 2020 vision. But night and day you're in this big dark spectacle. Then suppose something you do your eye. How are they rated this? Now come out and come cuss nobody about your eye. People,
This is who they won't pick.
people, when you go and go eat on the food, when you don't watch the video, a good thing we cut it off, because probably, you no probably want to eat all of the food. Bless upon yourself. I want to see if I can go on a second video for the day. If it not come, not hold my feet. You don't know what to do. Tomorrow is shade of pink. Go out and support. You know. One done ago. Can two. So just go support shade of pink. I might drop 2 videos tomorrow. So when you come home from shade of pink, who go a shade of pink, or who blue to them phone or watch any live we are gone of shade of pink. When shade of pink over, who no get no time to watch the second video, who no can watch it after. All tomorrow morning, it make a difference. But if me can drop 2 videos, I will drop it. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. You know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And if you do have a TikTok account, you can reach me over TikTok. Go follow me now. Now as you come on for that video, if you have a TikTok account, go follow me over there. Life is a Mission TV. Alright? Things are going to go on over there. We can go on over there. We can go on over here. So, but it's not about we are going on here. So. The same type of thing we're going over on Life is a Mission TV, social commentary, you know, commentary and a whole and stuff like that. Alright? Yeah. Sometimes you might see me out of my element over there to do 2 skank or listen some music and them little something there. Yes, I look different vibes. When me have vibes to my music, and me's a music lover, you know, soul's music, yeah, 90s dancehall and me that. So sometimes you can in my house and you can just enjoy some video. Whereas I see them send me a message so I can go live. Yeah man, you can't, so you don't need to go over there. When you don't want like a fun time, yeah. And you can call me and say, yo, go live man, and just give you some, you can request all what type of music you don't want. If you don't want some souls music night, or you don't want some 90s dancehall night, because of my type of something them there. You understand? You can just, if me get 5, 6, 7 person, 10 somebody I say, boy, watch out, keep souls night tonight, yeah. Keep dancehall night tonight, yeah. Keep gospel night tonight, yeah. So just go over there. Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. And the cash up there, $, Charms and Trends. And remember, support Charms and Trends. Go on the website and shop. Charms and Trend that shop. You can find them on Instagram. Charmed _ trends. Alright, that's CHARMED, charmed _AND _TRENDS, trends. And anything you see over there, get it customized. Remember, it's a festive season. Start ordering a gift from now. Don't wait till the rush. Special item, your husband, your tumbler, your mug, your wine glass, your wine cup. You know? Yes, man. Your wife, yeah, anywhere you don't want to put it. Bless up.